Hi everyone. This is Emmy. This is Maddie. And we just want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Happy birthday, Jesus.
Happy birthday, Jesus.
And a Happy New Year.
And Happy New Year.
I couldn't really have time to write anything today, so I thought making a video would be a really good idea. I hope everybody's having fun with their family. And they're celebrating Christmas.
Celebrating Christmas.
And for all those people that couldn't celebrate with their family, I just wanted to say Merry Christmas to you.
Merry Christmas.
I will probably write again later tonight, but Maddie won't be here.
Maddie won't be here.
I love you all.
I love you.
And have a great day.
And have a great day.
Bye.
Bye. I'm going to play this.